So guys, if you want to reset your Dell laptop in Windows, for the first step you're going to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it, which will then take us to here. And now once we're here next to reset this PC, you're going to click on reset PC. And now this will come up. Make sure you have your important files backed up to a separate drive or flash drive. Now once you've done that, we're going to be having two options right here. It's going to be saying keep my files, which will remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. Or you're going to be having remove everything, which will remove all your personal files, apps and settings. If you're going to be going with remove everything, make sure you have all your important files backed up, but I will still do that either way if you also want to go with keep my files as well. So it's up to you what you want to go with. I'm just going to be going with remove everything. You can go with either cloud download or local reinstall, it's up to you. I want to be going with local reinstall. It doesn't really matter what you go with. And now we're going to click on change settings. Now we're going to be having some settings right here. So for this one right here, it's going to be saying clean data. Just remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. So right now it's set on no, so then this will be the setting that will come up. If I click on yes, then the text here is going to change. So under clean data, if I set this to yes, it will now clean the drive. This may take hours, but it will make it harder to recover files. So if I set this to no, it's going to be doing something else. And this is going to be the same for all these other options right here as well. So let's say that for this option, it's going to delete all files only from Windows Drive. If I select yes, it will then delete all files from all drives. So it's up to you what you want to go with all these options. Click on yes on all of them, see if it applies to you. If you don't want to do this, then you can go back to no. And then click on confirm. And now based on the settings that you chose, it will be telling you what's going to be happening. If you want to change any of this, you're going to click on change settings again, and now you can change it. And now you're going to click on next. It will now take you to the final screen. It will tell you everything that's going to happen. And then once you're done with this, you're going to click on reset. It will then reset your computer.